Brainy Buzzy presents 10 signs that you might have met the one you're going to spend the rest of your life with. Have you ever felt a tingle deep inside your heart, wherein you just sense that you found the one or you are with the right person? In a time wherein people don't believe in the concept of something concrete, leaving aside love, it is difficult to see beyond all the confusion and chaos. You don't meet people every day with whom you can connect on a different level altogether. It is difficult to find a connection where you can vibe with the other person at all levels: romantic, personal, and spiritual. It doesn't take an entire lifetime to figure this out either. All it takes is one look and a whirlwind revelation that happens so silently deep within your soul. But, at that moment, you know that life, as you know it, is about to change, and you can't wait to see where it goes. For the first time, you're looking forward to this change with your eyes and arms wide open. And it all happens because of this one person who has the single most profound potential to influence you in ways that could only be written in the stars. And yes, sometimes, all you need is that one look, that one spark, and that one small flame rising up within you. Other times, the many of us who are once bitten, twice shy, don't want to rely simply on our intuition, lest it proves us wrong, yet again. We always want to be sure of ourselves and everyone else in our lives. And so, we seek out the signs. Signs that tell us we might just be right this one time, that this person might just stay, that they might be unlike everyone we've ever known or dated before, and that maybe, just maybe, this might be it. Signs like these. Number 1, they feel like home. It's that sense of familiarity that instantly lets you slip into comfort without having to try at all. Home no longer resembles 4 walls, a room. Home now resembles their face. Then, you could be anywhere in the world. Hell, you could be stranded in the middle of nowhere and you'd still feel at home as long as you're with them. Number 2, you knew them before you met them. It's almost cosmic the way you saw this person coming, without actually seeing them coming. From the very first time you met, and exchanged your first words, you feel an otherworldly connection, like you know this person from another lifetime, from before this time. Number 3, it was the first look. Back then, it might have been just another person you noticed. But, each time you glance their way, you can't shake off the possibility of this person. It's from the very first look. It's like an unspoken language when you see each other, and from that very first glance, you can't stop looking at them and you don't really know why. Number 4, the timing is just right. The most incredulous thing about meeting this person is the timing. Sure, it might not be the most perfect timing in your life, overall. But, emotionally, you were ready, unattached, and ready to welcome something new and transcendental. And what's fascinating is how they're on the exact same page. It's like all your life, you had been working up just so you could come to this moment and this person. It all fits. Number 5, they seek you out. No matter what you may be, do whatever it is that you may be doing. They don't need a phone or a message to seek you out. It's like you've been to the same places as close, yet at different times, almost as if it was just a bit of a glitch in the seconds. But, you seek each other out, always, even if you don't consciously intend to. Number 6, you become a priority. This person becomes the single most important person in your universe. Every thought and every action that you work on is somehow, or the other, intended not just for your betterment, but for theirs, too. And it's vice versa with them. For the first time, you're not the only one who's factoring in this person. For the first time, this person is doing exactly the same, or more, to be a part of your life. Number 7, it comes easy to you. Being around this person, emoting, talking, smiling and laughing, and just generally, being yourself comes so easily around this person. It's effortless. And as soon as you're hit by this realization, you realize how much more you like yourself when you're with them. This makes you want to be around them even more. And, just like everything else, it comes easy. It's natural. Number 8, there's a deeper understanding. They can sense you. And you, then. It's unreal. But, it's just as real as the blood running through your veins. They can sense when you're upset, worried, sad, disappointed, angry, or even just trying to avoid something. They know you better than you know the back of your hand. They can tell what you're thinking, well then your thoughts. It amazes and frightens you at the same time. Number 9, you can trust them. There is just something about them that makes you want to trust them. Again, it comes to you naturally. You can trust that they'll be there for you for a late-night conversation, A long drive out to nowhere, to catch you when you fall, or stagger. They've got you. And you never have to second-guess their actions or intentions. Number 10. It's no longer about sex. From the beginning, you cannot comprehend how, but this person being with you at the moment is 1,000 times better than all the sex you've had in your life, cumulatively. You do want the sex, but it's just a means to an end at the very best. This is the person you were meant to grow old with, so that even when your body stops functioning like when you're young, you'd still search for their face every morning and night. So, it isn't that difficult after all. If you can figure out the signs, and you find all the above-mentioned signs in the person you feel for, then you know what to do. Also, you want a sign is a sign. Love is a complicated aspect of everyone's life, and figuring out about the one is even more. You can't just sit back and let the signs guide you. These signs will definitely help you, but there is a lot more that goes inside a relationship to make it concrete and timeless. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.